There's an ad on my phone that says, take your Weber kettle beyond hot dogs this summer with the slow and sear. But I want to cook hot dogs. I guess I'll do it with my little Weber Q. That way I won't undermine their ad campaign. There's a lot of difficult prep work to do for this. I mean, I have to turn that knob to high, and then I have to push the button. And then we put the lid down and let those cast iron grates heat up for a few minutes. Alright, it's been a few minutes. This should be pretty well heated up here. I have some of these Nathan's hot dogs here. These are jumbo ones, jumbo beef franks. Makes me remember like 13 years ago when my wife and I first started seeing each other before she got sick and died. She came over on her lunch break one time from work, and we were watching this hot dog eating contest, and it was with these Nathan's hot dogs, and I'd never seen one of those. Neither one of us had ever watched one of those before, but it's kind of interesting. Some little skinny guy ate like 53 hot dogs, so it was kind of funny. I always remember that. Alright, we'll just get the lid down and let these cook for a few minutes. Let's open this up and see how these are doing. Oh, they're browning up pretty fast, it looks like. Look pretty good already. Nice. I'll just kind of keep them moving around so don't burn them. Actually, this grill does good. It usually doesn't burn stuff too much, but they look real good. Looks like my dogs are looking pretty good here. It's pretty hard to screw up hot dogs, but I'm going to get them off of there. Let's see how these Nathan's beef franks are. I'm not going to try to eat 53 of them, I'll tell you that. I don't think I could even eat 3. Come on, mustard. Alright, a little mustard, a little white bread, and we'll try one of these babies out. Nathan's beef franks are pretty good. No way I could eat 53 of those things though. Want to enter a hot dog eating contest, Annie? Well, how about just taste one? That little grill's the easiest grill I've ever cooked on. I had those hot dogs cooked before the charcoal be even lit on the kettle, so sometimes just for me, I love cooking on that little thing when I'm not in the mood to really cook. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll talk to you next time.